Can you design an entire WordPress website with Elementor? Yes, absolutely. How? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Lydia, and in this video we're going to talk about exactly how to design your entire WordPress website using the free page builder Elementor. So let's go ahead and see which parts of your website you can edit with the free license of Elementor and for what will you need the pro version. First, your homepage. That can be easily customized with the free version of Elementor, but the pro version will definitely help you out in adding multiple elements such as blog posts to your homepage, a shop carousel of your products. You can even add a slider and much more. I created my own homepage for my website incomingsuccess.com with Elementor, as you can see, and Elementor brought a lot of freedom to how I can manage the page and the elements in it. It was so easy to just drag and drop the elements, add the spacers when I wanted them, for my website to be built perfectly. Now, most of the elements that you see on the homepage are from my theme, the Bridge theme, that you can find the link for in the description, but with Elementor I had the freedom of adding those elements wherever I wanted them and place them the way I wanted to. Next, you can edit all the pages in your website with Elementor, such as any sales pages, landing pages, pages for your services, tripwire pages, and much more. You can transform the boring look that usually comes with a simple website into an interactive page with Elementor, so you can give your viewers the best experience when browsing through your website. The next thing you can edit with Elementor are your blog and your blog posts pages. These are great to edit, and I recommend that you do edit them because you want your readers to have the best experience when browsing through your posts, so they can read more, check out other blog posts, and much more when reading your articles or coming to purchase a product. With Elementor Pro, you can even add your blog posts to your homepage so you can make it easier for them to access it. And it is only $49.99 per year, so I suggest that you check it out at the link below. The next thing you can edit with Elementor is a custom sidebar for your blog posts or any other pages in your website. You can add some info about you, the blogger, and a photo so people will know and get to know the business owner and the article writer after all. In the sidebar, you can add blog categories, some ads, promote affiliate products, or even your own digital products by displaying shop items, so the products in your shop. The next thing you can edit with Elementor is a contact us page that includes a contact form. That is super easy to add to your page, and it will make it so much easier for people to contact you through that form. Obviously, in the contact us form and on any other pages, you can also add your social links, any buttons, photos, text, and much more. Next, you can even design your entire WooCommerce shop with Elementor, but for that you will need the pro version. And in this video right here, I share exactly how you can edit your product pages, your main shop page, each product page, the collection pages, and even the cart and checkout pages with Elementor. Make sure to watch this video and learn how to do that step by step. And the next thing that you can create with Elementor for your website that I think is a great idea to do is an Instagram link in bio page. That will include all of your links designed the way you wanted them. You can also edit the page so you can see how it will look on a tablet, on a phone, and that will make it so easy for Instagram users to go to your website and check out other links in your website or other links in general, social links, your YouTube channel, and more. So you can adjust the look of the page on all devices. You can apply your brand colors, fonts, even graphics and images, and you can do all that with Elementor. So I really suggest giving Elementor a try. You can use the link in the description, and if you don't like it, you can just remove the plugin and everything will be back to normal. But for me, ever since I started using it, I never used anything else or stopped using it for any page because it allows me complete freedom to design my pages and to drag and drop the elements I want onto my page easily and fast. So make sure to check out Elementor at the link below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more content and tips on growing online with social media. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.